It's time for that good word. Come on, somebody. And serve each other according to the gifts each person has received as good managers of God diverse gift. 1 Peter 4:10. Be blessed. Hi best friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my channel, you are most definitely welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press that notification bell to be notified. Every time I post a video, that thing is gonna go bing or buzz or Afi uploaded a video. Go watch it. You know, if you are a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing, bestie? I hope you enjoyed this video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a crochet. It's been a while since I've done a crochet on my video. It's been a while since I've done crochets on my channel, and I'm back at it again. We're back. This time around, I decided to try a crochet that I've never tried before. I purchased this one. It wasn't sent to me. I purchased this one at the beauty supply store, and it was only $4.99. $4.99. The crochet that I purchased is this baby right here. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. I think it's Lulu Tris. Lulu Tris, beauty is what you create. Okay, Lulu Tris, beauty is what you create. I love the slogan. This is their water wave in the color 1B. This is 18 inch. I purchased a lot of one, which is basically a dark black. And then I went back to the store and I was like, my hair is not a 1. It's not a jet black. My hair is black and brown, which is 1B. So in the front, I'm going to be applying the 1B, and in the back, it's going to be all jet black. They're water waves. They're 18 inches. They're only $4.99. $4.99. Not $4.99. $4.99. That's how much they cost. So we're here for it, sis. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'm going to hop over to the voiceover. Whoa. So here's with the whoa onto the hairstyle. You know, it fascinates me every time I do this moment right here. I always dream of my hair flowing. Like, you've seen those L'Oreal commercials when they do the little shampoo, I think it's shampoo, and like they take their hair off of the ponytail and then they just like they shake their hair and it flows. I've always dreamed of my hair to do that, but sadly I can only do it with weave right now. We're gonna get there soon where we can just take our hair off and it flows. Anyway, so for the hair, I'm gonna be using the Main Choice. Doesn't get much butter than this. This is their pomade. I don't know if they say it in English pomade, but it's pomade in French. This is more like of their little grease conditioner. So it looks pretty like white, but once you like rub it with your hands, it turns into a nice bowl of grease. So you don't want to use too much of it. When I first started using this product, my hair was so greasy because I didn't know how to use it. So it's basically like a nice little grease conditioner. If you remember back in the days when we used to put chemicals on our hair and rock the little Jesus beads, and our mom used to grease our scalp and grease our hair, that's basically what that that leave-in conditioner does. It just grease your hair up. So yeah, so I went in and I braided my hair. I did my little set it off braids, and the set it off braids were braided pretty differently this time. I connected each braid together at the end of it, so it was like separate in the front and then connected all at the back. And then after I did that, it was on and popping from there. So yeah, I feel like when you do it this way, it's cool. My sister-in-law does it really well. Like, she does her braids very, very different and unique. Like, she does it in a way where she can put her hair up. Me, I just do it in a way where I can just get things done. So as long as the front looks nice and flat, for me, I think that's it. That's pretty much it. So the back of my braids, my set off braids, my prison braids, my what you gonna do with the braids, what else can I call these? My what's up, ma? What's your name, ma? Braids? Okay, stop. My bow wow braids. Okay, I'm done. So yeah, so basically that's what I did. And then I took my crochet stick. I decided to like crochet the back like I normally do. Normally I do it individually, but this time around we just want it to be done. So I just took it all in one and I went through each braids itself and I connected each one so it can, you know, stay attached. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see it. So it looks like this in the back. Prison braids, look at you. Next, I grease my scalp. Inside that grease bottle, I use my grapeseed oil, my Jamaican black castor oil, my main choice oil, and my olive oil. I mixed them all in one and we turned it into a grape juice. What? Don't get annoyed by me, please stick around. But next what I did was, it was time for crocheting. Lulu Tris, beauty is what it is. I think that's the slogan. I'm feeling it. Yeah. Woo. Beauty. Ludicrous. Ludicrous. Lulutris. But anyway, this is how the Lulutris crochet look like. It's the water wave and I'm absolutely in love with it. So yeah, so normally I like to start from the back because it makes things a lot more easy to do when you start from the back. So I started from the back. I started where like I connected all my braids together, and then we went on and crocheted from there. One thing I am going to say about this crochet right here is you might want to buy more than 5 packs. I used 5 packs because that's all I thought I needed. Normally when people send me, like when companies sends me PR packages, they send me more than 5 packs. Normally they send me up to 8 packs. I normally use about 6.5 of the pack. So with this, I was like, maybe it'll be enough, because there's some PR companies that I've received that I've used 5 packs, some I use 4 packs, which is normally surprising. But this time around, with my confidence, I thought 5 packs would be enough, but sadly it wasn't. So in the middle of the video, you guys will see that I had to like take some hair out of my braids just so I can fill up to the part where I needed to fill up. But overall, as far as like the crochet itself, it's synthetic. Some people freak out when it comes to crochet. They want to know if you can treat it like you do human hair. You can't treat crochets like human hair. You just can't. It's synthetic hair. It only lasts for a certain amount of days or weeks or months. So this itself, it lasted me a good 2 weeks. I recently took them out. I am gonna say after week 1, you really do experience tangles, you experience shedding. I highly recommend you to twist your crochets before you go to bed. That way you can reduce the amount of tangles that it might bring you, if that makes sense. So every night before you go to bed, please do a little twist. Twist about 4 section, 5 section, little, probably like 6 section for me will be I will recommend 6 twists before you go to bed, and then you put on your bonnet and then you go to sleep, just to prevent the whole tangling and shedding and things like that. To make it last longer, twist it. Highly recommend you. So yeah, if you guys can tell, I ran out of package, and this is where I was talking about. I had to like go in and like undo some of the hair. If you don't want it to be too full, I think that was my biggest mistake. I made it too full, so I think that's probably why I ran out so quickly. You might want to space it out. It all depends on you. I should have did that, but I like my hair to feel a little bit full. That's probably why I overdid it. So yeah, I went in and I decided to take some hair out because I ran out of crochet hair. So yeah, we just went in and we plucked some out. We made sure it wasn't like noticeable, but it was evened out to the point where, like, you know, it looked realistic and it looked like we didn't pull some hair out. So that's what we did. We pulled some hair out. It was really difficult to go through this process, so I highly recommend you guys to buy at least 9 pack. If you have thick hair, go for 12 packs. That's what I would recommend. 12 packs for thick hair. If you have hair like me, 9 packs will be great. If you have a method where you can crochet with 5 packs, kudos to you. Let me know that method so I can do it too. You know, let's save some money together. So that's what I did. I just took some hair out, crochet the front, and it came out looking pretty decent. As far as the hair, for $4.99 pack of hair, this hair I'll give it a good 8. It all depends on how well you treat it. An 8 for me, it's a good thing, because I normally don't rate hair that high, but I like it. It's one of those hair that it will keep you, looking good for a certain amount of days. So yeah, we didn't have enough hair, so like it was tough, it was really rough. So we basically went out and we searched for what we wanted, and God send us an angel from the heavens above. Send me an angel to heal my broken heart from being sorry. So yeah, that's what I did. I went in, plucked out some crochets, and then we went on a mission, and we make it do what it do, baby. And also, if you are curious on how I take care of my crochet, I did a video a long time ago on how I take care of my crochets. So I'm gonna link that video in the description box so you can check it out. So next, I just finished the method. I did what you do all the time, what you need to do. And I closed in my crochets, and yeah, so it came out looking pretty cute. I wish I bought a good amount of hair, but hey, you learn from your mistakes, right? So yeah, so this method right here, well, not this method, but this part right here was what was frustrating. It was a little bit too much of hair to walk around looking like apple, because my head is really round. So crochets that are like this, you might want to ease up a little bit. So because it looked like too much hair, I didn't want to look like an orange with curls, a bunch of curls. So I had to get the wetness look out of it. So I did this little method experiment. I normally don't do it I don't do my crochets like this, but I went in and I tried gel, and this gel was really nice. I was like, oh, this is actually pretty cute. It's getting the water wave back. And then I was like, let me try the Shea Moisture and add that on top of the gel. Wrong idea. You can't do that, because Shea Moisture is very jealous and it's selfish. It likes to be added by itself, so you can't mix anything with this product. Especially, it does the same thing on your natural hair. It didn't do it just because it was synthetic. It did it because it's selfish and it likes to be done by itself. So yeah, so I was like, okay, that didn't work out. So what product will look really nice? I was just trying to figure out what product will look good if you wanted to bring the curls back to life. Normally I just use water, but because this was a little bit too much of the hair and I did a lot of separation with this hair, I wanted the natural, the first day one look back. So I went back in with a Cantoon and I used their curl cream, and this was a lot. I overloaded this, but it did the job. So if you want to if you want to bring back the curls, whether it's old, whether it's brand new, whatever week or day your crochet is, I highly recommend you to either use gel, or you can use a Cantoon curl cream. That works perfectly with the crochets when it comes to bringing back the curls back to life. Hopefully all that made sense. If not, I apologize. I try to make sense. Sometimes I question myself as well, but hopefully it made sense. So yeah, that's what we did. We just went in and we played with water. We added the cream. We did it all over the place. And then at some point I got tired of spraying water, so I just went in and I dumped the whole entire hair into water. So you don't have to do it in section. Just wet the whole entire hair and then do it in section. But this is what happened. It looked really nice. It looked like a wash and go. It dried up on me and then it curled up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. I know I talked a lot, but it was a tutorial. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.